In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a location on Square Appointments. Whether you're setting up a brand new business profile or simply updating your existing information, knowing how to accurately add your location can be essential for getting the most out of your Square account. So let's get started by walking through the straightforward process together. First, you're going to want to start by heading to the Square website. Open your web browser and navigate to squareup.com/login. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Square dashboard using your account credentials. This is where you'll find all the primary tools and settings for managing your Square account. After you've logged in successfully and you're on the main dashboard, the next thing you'll want to do is find the settings option. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu filled with various options. Look for the one labeled Settings and give that a click. By selecting Settings, you'll be directed to a new page with a range of different settings for your account. On this page, you're going to want to find the option titled My Business. It should be one of the more prominent options listed, making it quite easy to locate. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. Within the My Business section, you'll encounter a variety of different options, but the one that will interest us today is the location settings. So look for the locations and select it. It'll bring you to the area where you can add or edit information about your business's physical address. To add or change your business location, look towards the upper right corner of the page where you'll find an option to either add or edit your location details. Clicking here will take you to a form where you can enter your business's address. Make sure you fill out all the pertinent details, including your street address, city, and zip code. This information is crucial because it helps Square facilitate appointments for your business based on its accurate location. Once you've input all your location details, it's time to ensure everything is saved. Double check that all the information you've entered is correct. When you're certain everything looks good, look for the save option on the page. Clicking save will record all of your changes, ensuring your business address is updated in the Square system. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added or edited a location on Square Appointments. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any further questions, and stay tuned for more useful tips and tutorials.